Good morning, viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. The planetary positions, as I've mentioned in my earlier article also, that the 11th November 2021 is most explosive because the planetary positions they are parallel to the planetary positions at earlier happenings, especially at the time of assassination of Rajiv Gandhi, assassination of Indira Gandhi. And then what really it means is that there could be espionage. There could be espionage and there could be attacks. There could be terrorist attacks also. And it has been seen in the history of US that 30 presidents of the country, they have had attempts for assassinations, and some of them have also died in assassinations. A typical example in the US for the tenure of the US president is that whenever there are elections at the time of the US presidential elections, and if there is going to be in the near future a conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn, then that president is not able to complete its full regime. And therefore, since Biden has taken oath near the conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn, I have already predicted that it will be very difficult for him to complete his complete tenure. Now, in this article, I have tabulated a number of cases and I have seen what all the planetary positions are. What made me think all this was that what is going to happen because of this lunation chart of 13 days of 7th of September. So it's going to bring a havoc on earth, especially because of the first tithi, Prathama tithi, Pratipada, which is the lord of which is Agni, and the Triyodishi tithi, the lord of which is Kamadevta and lord of sex. That I've already mentioned, that there could be exploitation of women and there could be sexual scams. And then the another 2-3 parameters are that the Jupiter is entering back in Capricorn as a fallen planet, as a debilitated planet and as a retrograde planet. And this is parallel to the time of First World War. Then also Jupiter was retrograde and in Capricorn. At the time of Mahabharata, also Jupiter was debilitated, and a number of cases when the presidents of the US were assassinated, then Jupiter was either in Sagittarius or in Capricorn. And there was conjunction of Saturn and Jupiter in most of the cases. So that's what made me write this article, that there are parallel planetary positions. And especially, on the 11th of November, we know that the planetary positions from the 5th, when Mars changes its sign to Virgo, and all the planets will be in trinal houses. Mars will be in trinal house from Jupiter and Saturn. So, apart from these planetary combinations, on the 11th of November, the typical planetary positions are there. Rahu and Ketu will be over the natal Rahu and Ketu in the case of India Foundation chart at exact degrees. And then Mars and Saturn will be having a return aspect. Mars will aspect Saturn and Saturn will aspect Mars. Mars will be in the sign Libra at 13 degrees together with Mercury in planetary war, and Saturn will be aspecting Mars and Mercury and Sun. So this is the most venomous combination, and Jupiter fallen will be with Moon and Saturn. And Saturn exactly was at 13 degrees at the time of assassination of Rajiv Gandhi. It was in Shravan Nakshatra in Capricorn at 13 degrees, opposed by Jupiter at 13 degrees. Now it is 13 degrees is Mars You know, Jupiter is with Saturn, and then Mars is at 13 degrees. Earlier, Mars was not at 13 degrees, Jupiter was at 13 degrees. Now, Mars is at 13 degrees. Some amazing, and Rahu and Ketu were also over the natal Rahu and Ketu. So, friends, these planetary combinations are most venomous. I don't want to further elaborate the things, but I can tell you, I don't want to create a panic, but I am telling you that the planetary positions are most venomous, and it could have an adverse impact definitely on the stock and financial markets. Irrespective, people are saying that there will be no impact on the stock and financial markets, and the Nifty may touch 18,000. Friends, it is possible if this does not happen, and even because of coronavirus, they say there will be no impact on the stock and financial markets. I can agree that there may not, because people are used to it. That was the first time in 2020 when the coronavirus came. It was a bolt from the blue, and there was an effect on the stock and financial markets. Now people have already had experiences for 2 times because of the first wave and the second wave, and the third wave it may have little impact, and that is why I am saying that the effect of the coronavirus may only be 10% correction as far as the virus is concerned. But because of the other untoward happenings, it could definitely influence the stock and financial markets, will be influenced more. Maybe if there is a brawl between the nations, some fight or warlike situations take place, or a major terrorism takes place, like I have mentioned in my earlier article, these situations are parallel, like 9/11, 26/11 and Gulf War. And the planetary positions are also parallel at the time of assassinations. You know, I have tabulated and I will read out. The first one is the the Prime Minister of Congo. He was assassinated, and I have given the planetary positions. Then John F. Kennedy, then Qasem Soleimani, the top Iranian military who died on the 3rd January 2020, and then the assassination of Siberian, Ferdinand on the 28th June 1914. Then Tsar Nicholas, 17th July 1918. Then Mahatma Gandhi, 30th January 1948. Then Martin Luther King, 4th April 1968. Then Isaac Rabin. Then Benazir Bhutto. Then Abraham Lincoln. Then James F. Garfield. Then William McKinley. Then John F. Kennedy. Then president who were wounded were Roosevelt, Reagan, Franklin D. Roosevelt, John F. Kennedy, Richard Nixon, Jimmy Carter. Then comes the Indira Gandhi assassination. I have compared the charts of Indira Gandhi assassination, the assassination of Rajiv Gandhi. I'm amazed that Saturn in the sign Capricorn is not happy. It is not happy, and especially in Shravana Nakshatra. It was at 13 degrees at the time of assassination of Rajiv Gandhi, and on the 11th of November, Saturn is going to be at 13 degrees, having return aspect by Mars, who is also at 13 degrees, and Rahu and Ketu will be over the Rahu and Ketu in the 1/7 axis of the India Foundation chart. So friends, this is what I am just trying to tell you, that the planetary positions are taking the whole world for a ride. there will be surge in coronavirus, there will be tensions all throughout because of this lunation chart of 13 days, which is parallel to Mahabharata, as I've already mentioned. And Jupiter is now, another parameter has been added. At the time of First World War, Jupiter was debilitated and retrograde in the sign Capricorn. And in number of cases when assassinations have taken place, Jupiter was also debilitated and retrograde in Capricorn. So friends, this is all I just wanted to say, that this time is to, you have to make sure that in your investment, especially in regard to your investments, people, the market is touching, crossing 17,000 Nifty, but mind you, it can turn upside down anytime if such event happens. My basic aim of making this article is to save yourself from the financial crunch which is going to come. Lot of people will lose lot of money who do not have combinations for making money in the stock and financial markets, and they have entered the stock and financial markets, they have invested heavily, and they will lose lot of money. I can tell you this, if they do not have combinations for speculation, and if they have combinations for insolvency, they are bound to suffer. And those people, surprisingly, all those people, I'll give you some example, very interesting examples. You know, I was to get my blood check done, and the pathologist came and he said, Mr. Agarwal, I want to put a question. I said, before you put a question, I can tell you, he had never talked to me about his birth details or anything ever. So I said, I'm sure you are born in December 1985. He said, yes sir, I'm born in December 1985. He asked me, how did you check that? I said, Jupiter is the main planet at this time, and it is in debilitation. So 1985 December, there are parallel planetary positions like now, and you are born in December 1985. He said, yes sir. I said, have you left the job? He said, yes sir, I want to change, I want to open a venture of my own. So I could tell him that he has left the job. He does not have combinations of Neech Bhang Raj Yog as like Neeraj Chopra, that he can rise. He will have troubles. So similarly, there were other people who called me up and wanted to invest heavily, and again, as my intuition and because Jupiter has to be debilitated, whosoever is coming to me and especially asking for financial investments, another person came to me and he is born in January 1974, and if he does not have combinations for investment in the stock and financial markets, he will have heavy losses. So all those people who are coming, and those people will especially come 1973, 1985, 1949. Another person came to me, he was 1949, and he is curious to know what is going to happen, because his Jupiter is also in 1949. Jupiter was fallen in the sign Sagittarius, not in the sign Capricorn, but in the sign Sagittarius. So like that, friends, so many other examples I can give you, that other female I had talked about earlier, who has sold her jewelry and totally invested in the stock and financial markets, is bound to suffer if he does not have combinations for what you call speculations. And this is all, friends. I just wanted to say that astrology is most amazing, and if it is applied properly, then you can save a lot. Like if you know you are driving a car at a speed of 125 and you know there is a rough patch and going to come after 5 kilometers, you will slow down your speed. So although you may have to go in the patch, but then it will be easy. You will be comfortable going in that patch rather than going at a speed of 125 kilometers. So, and I've also used the chakras. I've used the chakras for September in my previous article, and in this article I've used for November. Right from 5th of September, the chakras, the Rashi Sangata Chakra and Nakshatra Sangata Chakra, there is Veda between the planets, and especially just before this 11th of November, there is Veda from 3rd and 4th November. So friends, as per the book of mundane astrology and as per the stalwarts of astrology, they were using all these chakras, and they said even if there is no aspect of Mars and Sun in the chart, but if there is Veda between Mars and Saturn in the chakras, it is a dreadful combination. And here Mars and Saturn are having return aspect, and there is Veda also. Just before the combination, there is Veda between Mars and Saturn also in the chakra. So friends, my prediction can go wrong. I am not God, but my duty as an astrologer is to guide people. And I want to say that whosoever is investing in the stock and financial markets, he has to be very alert, cautious, make sure that he does not make losses, huge losses. There will be huge losses because Jupiter is going to get debilitated, fallen and retrograde, and that is why people who have this Jupiter, afflicted Jupiter, not only in Capricorn, it may be in any other sign for that purpose, who have afflicted Jupiter, who have fallen Jupiter, they are going to suffer a loss, huge loss, especially for those people where Rahu or Ketu are transiting over the natal Jupiter. So that's all friends, I just wanted to say, have a good day, best of luck, and thank you for listening to me.